Hey guys, good morning. Greetings from Stay Motivated. Right now I'm in my hometown Rourkela. This is a very beautiful place with lot of greenery. We have plenty of fitness park here. Okay, so you can see like this is one. Its name is Diamond Fitness Park. It's a kind of a very too much greenery with lot of kind of a facility for doing outdoor workouts. Okay, yeah. So and in today's video. We are going to complete the remaining parts of the skipping techniques. So we have in our last video I have covered 3, so 3 more I'll cover in this. And Sonu will be going to start with his boxing techniques. Okay, so today he's going to do his first basic training on boxing, Muay Thai boxing. Okay, yeah. So let's move on to our practice, our workouts for today's. Okay, and see you there. In the second session of skipping session, I will be covering 3 more skipping techniques. The first will be running man, second will be single leg hop, and third will be double tap. Okay. So these 3 are kind of slightly advanced skipping technique. So we request before you come to this skipping exercise, you should try our skipping workouts that we have given in our first video. Okay. Yeah, and as usual, before I'll go for each technique, I will explain how you should practice, how to do it, so that you become perfect on this. Okay, then let's begin the first one. So the first one will be going to be single leg hop. Okay, single leg hop. Before you go for single leg hop, you should practice single leg switch. So that we have shown in our first video. So that will be like, so kind of you stand in a place and so it will be like, okay. So this is single leg switch. So single leg hop will be just similar but with slightly difference. Okay, you just, okay. So with skipping, how we'll do it? Okay, so this is single leg hop, and if you want to be perfect on this, try with first single leg switch. Okay, now the second one will be the runner man. This is a very good workout for those who are doing sprint or practicing for marathon and all. Okay, this will build your stamina as well as it will increase your running speed. So if you are not comfortable with the skipping rope, first you can try. Okay, so this is before you go for the skipping rope. Okay, so in the skipping rope it will be like, okay. So this is what I have shown. It's a kind of a slow to medium speed. If you want to make your speed faster, it is much better, because this is a kind of a very good workout to increase your, as I said, to build your stamina and to give you the strength as well. Okay, so I'll just show for a 30-second drill how you can do it in the speed way. So that was the two drills. Now we are coming for our final drill, that is the double tap. Okay, double tap is the most advanced one. Okay, there is no drill for it. It should come with the practice. Okay, if you are very good with other drill, other skipping technique, you can do it. Okay, so double tap means with one jump your skipping rope is going to rotate twice. Okay, so that's how it will be. Your skipping rope is going to rotate twice. You need to jump slightly higher in double tap so that you can make the timing that your rope should be is going to will move twice, and you need to make it slightly faster. Okay, so I'll show that one. Okay, how you can do 10 times double tap. Okay, so that now these are all 6 drills that we covered in our first session and our second session. Okay, so, and before I will end this session, I'll just mix up all these techniques in one shot, and I'll show how, and you can see how it looks with the combined form. Okay, so these are the skipping techniques which are very good and kind of this is skipping one, as I said before, a must to do workout if you are a fitness enthusiasm or you are a sportsman or kind of want to stay fit. This is a very good and kind of you can do it anywhere. That is the first advance. So you can do it anywhere. You don't need to go for a gym, right? And it will help you in the health benefits are too much in this skipping technique. Okay, train Sonu on basics of punching. Okay, or you can say it's Muay Thai boxing. First I'll start with how to hold guard, then how to go for 1-2 punches, then how to move your footworks for 1-2 punches. Okay, so let's begin with the first thing, how to hold guard. Okay, so when you hold guard, first thing is, okay, so first thing is this fist should not be in front of your face. Okay, and second thing is this is your attacking hand. So the position will be like this. Okay, the position will be like this. So from here slowly 1, then 2, 1, then 2, 1, 2. Okay, again don't fall down. Don't fall down. You just take a stance. Take a stance. Put your guard up. Okay. From here again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Again, so check this footwork. It should not be so wide. Okay. So it should be like one arm distance. One arm distance. Okay. So from here again, hold your guard. Then start 1, 2, 1, 2. So again, don't. It should not be like this. Okay. So it should be from your eye level. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Start 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So I'm correcting some few basic things. Okay, you are holding like this. It's not like this. Okay. From here, 1, you have to move. 1, go back, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So now take your guard again. Okay. Start punching. 1, 2. 1. With your footwork. With your footwork. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now Sonu will do 50 counts of 1-2 punches. Okay. So we'll start with first hold your guard. Okay. So then from here with my count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Keep going on. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just a second. Hold again like this. Okay, from here. Okay, start. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So from here, not like this. Okay, from here, the face here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, your hand should not go here. From here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So that's the first drill of Muay Thai boxing. Okay, anyway, today is his first class on boxing. So there are few mistakes are there. But with regular practice, we will overcome all those.
Now I am going to try 5 sets of angle kicks.
That. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Folks, that's it for today. So today was my first training on boxing. I know I'm not perfect, but I will do better. And thanks to Stay Motivated for giving this platform.